Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create pipe or sweep in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to create a new empty file. So I click on this one option, and after that we need to go to tasks. Then I need to create here a new body. I need to click here on create sketch, and then I select here XY plane from available attachments. Now I click OK button, and from the list we need to click on this one option to create a new circle. And I select here create circle by center. Then I press and hold left mouse button on this one blue dot, and I draw here a simple circle, maybe something like that. It doesn't matter which dimensions it has. Okay, and now we can click close button. We can go to create sketch, and this time we need to select here XZ plane. It is very important to select this one option. So now if it will be selected, we need to click OK button to finish this task. And then we need to click on create polyline option. We need to draw here a pipe which we want to create, yeah? So for example, I will create a simple pipe to show you how it works. So I click on this one blue dot, I click somewhere here, and I click maybe somewhere here. Then I click on this one option to create fillet. So I click on it. Then I click again on this edge, and I click again on this edge. After that it will be rounded, yeah? So now we can click close button, we can go to model, and we need to select this first one, sketch. We need to select here circle, and now we need to click on additive pipe. After that, on path to sweep along, we need to click on the object, because we need to select path where we want to sweep it. So I click on object, and I select the first one line, and after that your pipe will be created here. So now we can click OK button to finish this task, and how you see, it really works, yeah? So if I helped you to create it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.